Which statement about the number is true? So I have 65 and 3300ths, and it looks like it wants me to compare the two threes. So I'm going to write my own little notes down so I can see which statement is true. Okay, the first thing I want to do is put a place value chart under my number so I can reference back. So I know this is the ones place, tens place, 1/10ths place, and this is 1/100ths place. So that way I'm giving it the place value of each, the value of each number. Okay, so I know that I'm comparing the threes. And this is my first, and this is my second. Okay, so I know my first three is bigger than my second three, because every time you move your decimal this way, it's 10 times bigger. So I know my first three is 10 times bigger. I'm going to use that information to see if it will help me solve the problem. If not, then I'll compare the second three. Okay, the first statement says, the threes represent the same value because they are the same number. Yes, they are the same number. They're both 3. But this 3 is 1/100th, and this 3 is 1/10th. So I'm going to eliminate the first one. It's not true. Okay, then the next one says the first 3 represents 1/10th of the value of the second 3. So it's telling me the first 3 is smaller. 1/10th means smaller. 10 times is bigger. 1/10th is smaller. So it's telling me the first 3 is smaller. No, that's not true. Eliminate that one. The next one says the second 3, which is this one, number 2, represents 1/10th the value of the first 3. That is true. This one is smaller than the other 3. So I want to consider that one, but I'm going to read the next one just to make sure. So then the next one says the second 3 represents 10 times. This is 10 times bigger than this. No, that is not true. So my final answer is the second 3 represents 1/10th of the value of the first 3, and that is my final answer.